In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add Google Drive to File Explorer. In order for you to add Google Drive to your File Explorer, you basically need to download the Google Drive desktop app. Open the browser on your computer and then search for google.com/drive/download. You'll be redirected to Google Workspace where you can sync your desktop with Drive. Now, you need to click on the Download Drive for Desktop button. Wait for it to finish downloading the app, and once done, open the installation file and click Install. Simply follow the installation process that will be shown to you. After installing the app, then open it. Sign in with browser and log in to your Google account. If prompted, confirm that you want to connect everything and follow the instructions shown to you. Now, wait for the app to connect, and after that, Google Drive will automatically appear in File Explorer like a separate hard drive. That's about it.